name is Danica. I am so excited about today. So I was on Instagram, which I don't really use anymore to be honest, but I was watching like the Instagram stories and someone was posting about these like spooky Halloween Mickey ears and I was like, oh my god, I have to get these. I actually just bought these in the parks yesterday because they're Haunted Mansion, they're velvet. But normally I don't like the ears in the parks. Also, they're always really tight right here and they end up hurting my head after like a very short amount of time. So I was really excited to see these ears because I love them so much. This Instagrammer does all kinds of different custom ears. Or I won't say custom, they do all kinds of handmade ears, but I believe they also do custom. So of course I got some Halloween ones, so I just wanted to do this unboxing video and show you. I haven't opened them yet, so I'm excited. This is who she is. So Tablet Earful After. And there's the back. So yeah, I think she has way more of her designs on her Instagram, but I will definitely post that link in the description below. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh! Guys, look at them! They're the Mickey balloons, but they're Frankenstein. Oh my god. Oh, they're like this like hard plasticky. These are so cool. I am obsessed. I love this so much. And the sparkles and the itty bitty little Frankenstein. Oh, it's so cute. So all three of these pair were $48 each. I believe they all kind of run similar to that price. Let's see. Oh, okay. So here's another pair. Look at them, Ghost Mini. Okay, here's like my favorite part. Look at that. It's like confetti, but it's little bats. Like that was the thing that sold me, was the little bat confetti thing in the ears. I believe they move around. Yeah, they do. It's just all on one side from how it was laying in the box. But it's amazing. Oh my god. Oh, and even the bow is sparkly too, like the black one. Wow. Okay, the last pair. And then shake around the little bat confetti things. Alright. It is Pumpkin Mickey. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. I gotta put them on. You know what, I was like, I don't know how I'm gonna be with the orange and my pink hair, but I am actually really in love with this. Like, the band part on these is a lot more comfortable than the ones they have in the parks. I mean, these definitely feel a lot more flexible compared to these. Like, the park ones are like a lot tougher and harder. So I do think that these are going to be a lot more comfortable. They are really well made. And she makes all of these by hand. I'm so in love. Yeah, they're really comfortable. I love it. Yeah, so definitely check her out. I'm just going to show you her. So just look this up on Instagram. Yeah, definitely check her out. So I feel like I never like come across like spooky Halloween gothic type of Mickey ears. And these are the cutest. I love them. Oh, and also we did have some issues with the post office stuff, and she didn't have to do this, but she helped me out with this, so it did take me a little longer to get my package. Not her fault, but I really appreciate that she worked with me on this, and we were able to get this issue resolved, because that did take some time to do it. So yeah, Thank you so much, Happily Earful After. I love them, and I'm going to be wearing these all the time, and I'm so happy that I have Mickey ears I can wear in the park now, because I pretty much never wear them, to be honest. So I'm excited. Thank you so much. Bye, guys!